Here we have a quick mill Verano 2B. This unit was actually working fine, aside from a slight hissing noise that was coming from the top of the machine. But as you can see, this machine is on and functioning, and there's no hissing noise. All we had to do is replace a rather old vacuum release valve. So let's go ahead and run a shot. Building some pressure. It's a bit of a slower drip. We use some coffee grounds. Might be a little too fine and not coarse enough, but as you can see, machine's functioning. And there's no hissing noise towards the top. There we go. The stream's picking up a bit, and it has, good color, good crema. This machine's make very good cups of coffee, so expect that for now. And then just so you can see that everything else is functioning. Hot water and some steam. There you have it. So thank you for sending in this machine, and thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more content like this, follow us on YouTube. Thank you very much.